Hello everybody. So here is a spotlight on a species called Coelogyne tomentosa. So you can see it's a very big plant. It has like those leaves that's similar to I kind of remember Psychopedilum from this one. And there are a lot of growths. And here's the pendant inflorescence of the plant, and you could see it's very mellow yellow, I suppose, and some like very light brown coloring on its lobes and on its lip. Yeah, so it's quite interesting, and it's known to grow from. It came from Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Sumatra, Borneo, Java, those areas, and it likes to grow in mountainous areas and where there's a lot of humidity. It grows in cool to cold growing environments. So there you go. It pretty much inconsistent in the blooming season. They say usually it blooms in summer, and the flowers could be up to like 20 to 30 per each flower spike. So there you go. So it's in a hanging basket and with a lot of tropical plants in the greenhouse. And lastly, here is a new purple labiate cattleya, Steven Gerlando, as you can see from the tag there. And yeah, it's quite a nice lip with yellow coloring and a lot of ruffles. Very nice. Um, so these are just basically the two orchids that I'm gonna show you right now. And yeah, thank you for watching this, and see you on the next video.